Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews, and I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher. And we are now into November, and the Crochet Society Advent Calendar has arrived. Now let me have a quick reminder for you as to what was last year's one, so 2020, which was the first one they did, and it was a crochet cow, so a crochet along as well, and we made this beautiful baby blanket by Rosina Plane, and there's a lot of mosaic stitches in there, there's bobble stitches, there's some front posts, alpine stitch, bead stitch. There's a lot in this blanket, and actually loads of people learned things as well because it was just nice to do different stitches each day. So each colour is a different day throughout Advent, and I think it's lovely. So it's nice and squishy. So I'm going to open the box. Now I know I've had a quick look on Facebook. I've tried not to look at the box itself. But some people are saying they've had issues with drawers not opening and things being missing. So I'm going to get it out of the box because the box is big. It's not as big as last year. Because if you remember last year, or you haven't seen last year's, go back to my vlogs for Vlogmas and the December roundup video, so the podcast for December 2020. This is the box. It's so big it doesn't fit on screen, but you can see I've got quite a few dents in it. There's quite a big hole. Some of the tape was ripped off. I've got an even bigger sort of gash there, so it's quite heavy. I am going to try and get it out of the box, and what will happen is this little setup behind me will change to accommodate the advent calendars this year, so that I can do the Vlogmas from here rather than sitting on the floor like I did last year. So hopefully this will look all nice and Christmassy. But I thought if we get this out of the box, I can get my son to check if everything's in it, and that way I'm not spoiling the surprise for myself. So, not sure how I'm going to get it out. I have sort of I've opened the outside of the box. I have sort of put my hand in to check the top row of drawers, and I've got one that is stuck in the top row. So, oh gosh. I'm going to have to tip it upside down, aren't I? Or at least sideways. Let's try sideways. On the top it did actually say open me here, but you can't pull it out of the box. Oh my good god. Okay, it's out of the box. There we go. Right, that's the back. It is quite a big box. Oh dear. Okay, so looking at the numbers on the front, I can see that number 2 is one of the boxes that won't open. 8 just opens. I'm going to check that they all open without poking inside. Some of them are a bit stiff. 2 is definitely stuck though. And actually they've all got finger holes in them. Oh, 9 won't, there we go. Which makes it a bit easier to open them without getting... Aha! Right, they all open. I managed to get number 2 open. So let me show you the front. Ugh. It's so pretty. So where's number 1? Here's number 1. So December 1st. And then we have my birthday, December 10th. And where's Christmas? Where's 25? Is it this one? Is that 125? It's backwards to me on the screen. So yeah, it's just a bit big. So I don't know. Oh, hit myself in the face with it. I think it's going to go somewhere over here. Yeah, I think so, because I'm going to be opening this at like 6 in the morning. So yeah, so I'm going to get Joey to check the contents for me are all in there. We have been told that there is one ball of yarn in each box and something extra in each box as well. And actually, I feel quite lucky because this seems to be in one piece. There doesn't appear to be any major damage from posting. I've got a couple of dents in the back, but actually I think I'm one of the lucky ones, so I don't see any damage on the front. No, so I think we're good. I just need to get Joey to check that everything's inside. So I look forward to opening this up from December 1st and working on the the crochet along that comes with it. So join me for Vlogmas from the 1st of December, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.